Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Form and Quiz Maker add for docs to turn a worksheet like this one into a self-marking quiz in Google Forms. So the trick is to mark up the text before we convert, and we use the document setup menu to do that. So you can mark up individual paragraphs like this. So I'm turning that into a form title. I'm going to turn this into a short text question. You can also use these codes which I've added in here. So I've marked up the correct answers, and I've marked up some help text as well. The rest I don't need to mark up because it will automatically treat everything that's not marked up as a multiple choice question, which these are all are. So I'm going to press the button to create the form. The spin to tell you it's doing that, and the first thing it's going to do is add the markups and then create the form, but you'll see it all happen together. Just one word of warning, there isn't a way of making the correct answer for short text questions and paragraph questions. So the correct answer is going to go into the feedback for that question. So that's created the form, and at the bottom it's added a link to the form it's created. I hope you find it useful. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.